Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how we can design and develop a face mask detection project by using the Arduino hardware. So on the YouTube I have already designed this project with the Raspberry Pi, but from that video I got many requests from the many students like, sir, please develop this project with the Arduino so can so that they can save their cost, because Raspberry Pi is too costly than the Arduino. So they request me to develop this project by using the Arduino. But before start this project, I would like to give you some information about this project. If we compare the Arduino Raspberry Pi, then Raspberry Pi having inbuilt OS, and because of inbuilt OS, Raspberry Pi can itself do the image processing part but Arduino is embedded hardware, so it don't have the inbuilt OS, so it is basically simple embedded system chip. So whatever the image processing part, that is to detect the face mask, we will do by using the laptop, and once the mask is detected by the laptop, then whatever the data from the mask detected or mask not detected through the laptop, we will send to the Arduino. So how will we send? We will send through the USB port. So with this functionality we will try to achieve the face mask detection project completely with the Arduino and with the laptop. So before start this project, I would like to give you some flow of this project. You can see on the screen we have the many hardware like LCD, then we have the buzzer, then LED, then we have the temperature sensor, then we have the servo motor, then camera to detect the face mask or not. So once we give the power supply to the Arduino, then it will show the face mask detection project name on the LCD. Then after that it will give you information like scan your face. Let's say if the person is not present in front of the camera, then it will continuously give scan your face message on the LCD, so it is waiting for the face. So once the person come in front of the camera, then automatically our Python code will detect the person wear mask or not. If the person is not wear the mask, then automatically our laptop will give the data to the Arduino like this person doesn't wear the mask, so that the Arduino will start buzzer and red LED turn on, and in that case gate will be not open. So once the person wear the mask, then again our laptop camera will detect the person wear the mask, then again our laptop will send the data to the Arduino like person wear the mask, then after that green LED will turn on, and in that case also there is one temperature sensor part. So once the face mask is detected, then the temperature is detected by the Arduino, and if the temperature is greater than the threshold, then it will show high temperature and it will start the buzzer and the red LED. So let's say if the temperature is very low, that is below the threshold, and our person wear the mask, so in that case the green LED will turn on and our servo motor start opening the gate. So this is the complete idea behind this code and behind this project. So before start this video, we will first see what the complete project demonstration, and then you will get idea how this project work. Then we will see the hardware part, and then we will see the programming part. Also we will see what are the different types of package you need to install in your laptop to work face mask detection project. So I request you please watch this complete video so that you will get idea about each and everything about this project. Now you can see on the screen we have the hardware LCD, buzzer, LED, servo motor and Arduino. Right now I haven't in front of the camera, so it is showing scan your face. Now I will going to restart the Arduino so that you can see at the starting it will show project name and then scan your face. So I will restart the Arduino. So at the restart, just gate will be open and gate will be closed. This is the default behavior of the servo motor, so don't worry about that. So again I will restart so that you can focus on the LCD. Here face mask detection message and then scan your face. So right now you can see I am not in front of the camera, so that it is asking me scan your face. So once I come in front of the camera, then it will start detecting the mask. So if the mask is not present, then it will show mask is not present on the here, and then red LED start blinking and buzzer start on. So I will come in front of the camera right now. So immediately if I come in front of the camera, you can see mask is not detected, red LED start blinking and buzzer also start blinking. Now I will going to wear the mask so that it will stop blinking and gate will be open. Now I will put the mask. So you can see immediately mask detected, temperature, then gate open and gate close. Mask detected, temperature, gate open and gate close. So there is one temperature sensor here. You can see if you increase the temperature by 40 degrees Celsius by giving the gun or any hot hot material in front of this temperature sensor, then temperature will be increased by to above 40, and that it will not open the gate, and at that time also the buzzer start ringing and the ready will turn on. So now I will not wear the mask, so that it will again detect the mask is not wear and buzzer start ringing. So I remove the mask. So you can see mask is not detected, and again buzzer start ringing. So this is the complete idea behind this project. Now we will see the hardware connection of this project, also the programming part of this project. So before start the next part, I request you please subscribe my channel. Currently you can see I have 1446 subscriber and 3710 watch hour. So to verify my channel on the YouTube, I require 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour. So with your support, this criteria also completed. Only this criteria remaining. So I request you please watch my complete videos, so this criteria will be easily completed. So once you click on the subscribe button, you can see it is not beneficial for me also, it is also beneficial for you, because I have uploaded more than 51 video on the Raspberry Pi. Then currently I am working on the Arduino project also. There are some Python project I have uploaded. So if you want to learn the Raspberry Pi Arduino Python language from me, you should subscribe my channel and you will learn all the thing in freely. So please support me, please click on the subscribe button and please watch my complete video. So first we will connect the LCD module with the Arduino. So LCD module having you can see I have created my own circuit by using the one circuit. So you can see whenever you buy the LCD on the Amazon or Flipkart, it is 16:2 LCD, and you will get only this LCD, not this circuit. So you have to create this circuit by yourself. So how I created this circuit, I will tell you. So now I am going to tell you how I created this circuit, 0PC circuit, by my own. So first of all, whenever you buy the LCD on the Amazon, you will get only this green LCD. You have to create this circuit by your own on 0PCB or on breadboard. So you can see the similar connection is here. So this is my main LCD. You can see 16:2. So there are 16 pins on this LCD. You can see 1 to 16. So first pin should be connected to ground directly, ground, and this is nothing but the 10K potentiometer. So you have to purchase 10K potentiometer. You can see this is the potentiometer you have to purchase. This potentiometer or any type of potentiometer which having the 10K value. You can also purchase this one also, or this one also, any potentiometer, this one also. Basically each potentiometer having the 3 pins. You can see these 3 pins, these 3 pins. So first pin should be connected to the VCC of this potentiometer. Second pin is nothing but the middle one pin. You can see this one is middle one pin of potentiometer. So you can consider this middle one pin of potentiometer, or this middle one pin of this potentiometer. So connect the middle one pin to the VEA pin, and the third pin of this potentiometer should be connected to ground. That's why VCC also connected to ground. Then VSS is nothing but the ground pin of LCD, that is the first pin. You can see this is the ground pin of LCD, this is my VCC pin of LCD, common ground and common VCC. And then you can see till this part all the pins are same. So and this part is nothing but the controller pins. You can replace any controller at this point. So if you want to connect D4 pin, D5 pin, you can take it from this one, this one, this one, this one, and this is nothing but these 3 pins. So and this resistor is nothing but this one resistor, 560 ohm resistor, and this pin is LED negative pin, that is 60 number, is connected to ground directly. So connected to ground here directly. So this is connection I made by using this circuit. So I hope you understand how I created this circuit. So once you can design this circuit till this point, you can see till this one and till this point. So you can directly connect any number of LCD pin, any LCD pin to any controller, and this represent the controller pin basically. So you can replace any controller at this point. Whenever you require Raspberry Pi also, you can require Arduino also, you can just do the plug and play. You can just do the plug and play with this circuit with this point. So this is common VCC point, this is common ground point, and this one is your input point, which reflect this this pin basically. So once you created that circuit by using 0PC or 0PCB or a breadboard, then you have to connect VCC to common VCC. So first we take the common VCC and common ground from the Arduino to this point. So basically this is 0PCB again, and on this is 0PCB again, and on this 0PC there is buck strip. You can also use the breadboard for this, and I have connected common one buck strip as a common one. This is the one row is a common shorted, so this row act as a VCC, and second row is a common ground, so this complete row act as a common ground. You can also use the breadboard for this, there is no issue. So first you have to take the common VCC point from the Arduino. So 5 voltage from the Arduino should be connected here. So take the 5 volt first. So this is the 5 volt. You can see the print on the Arduino also, there is 5 volt. So I will take the 5 volt common. So why I am taking the common pin here, because all the sensor require 5 volt and Arduino has only one 5 volt, so that I have taken here common 5 volt. And the second pin I have to take the common ground, so I will take the common ground from the Arduino again. Okay, now you can see these two pin act as a common ground and common VCC. Now the next part is, first you have to connect the LCD module. So connect VCC point of this LCD, so common VCC point. So I will take one female to female connector. So one female connector should be connected here, and this is the VCC point, so that I will connect the common VCC point to the common VCC point of Arduino. Okay, so these two connection we have did till now, common VCC to common VCC, then ground to ground. Now next part is we have to connect the input pins of this LCD that I already explained in the video. So first pin is RS pin. So RS pin of this LCD should be connected to 4 pin of Arduino. So take the 4 pin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So connect RS pin to the 4 number pin of Arduino. Now the next pin you have to connect the enable pin from this LCD, that is second number pin from this buck strip. So this is the enable pin, and this should be connected to 5 number pin of Arduino. So connect enable pin to 5 number pin of Arduino. The next pin is D4 pin of this LCD should be connected to 6 number pin of Arduino. So connect the D4 pin should be connected to 6 number pin of Arduino. Now the next pin is D5 pin of LCD should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino. So connect a D5 pin should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino. Now D6 pin of LCD should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. So connect the D6 pin of LCD. So D6 pin should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. Then after that D7 pin of LCD should be connected to 9 number pin of Arduino. So D7 pin should be connected to 9 number pin of Arduino. Okay, so in this way we completed the LCD connection with Arduino. I hope you understand. Now we will going to connect the buzzer with the Arduino. So whenever you buy any buzzer from main market, you can see this is a big buzzer. You can buy the smaller buzzer also. Each buzzer having the 2 pin, one pin is a ground pin and one pin is VCC pin. So first connect the ground pin of this buzzer to common ground circuit. So first I connect the common ground to ground of this buzzer. Now the next part is VCC pin of this buzzer, that is a positive pin of this buzzer. So positive pin of this buzzer should be connected to 11 number of Arduino. So select the 11 number of Arduino. So this is 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the 11 number. So in this way the buzzer part is completed. Now the next part is we have to connect this LED module with the Arduino. So LED basically I have created this on 0PCB. You can created this circuit on the breadboard also. So basically LED having 2 pin, positive and negative. So I have connected the positive pin to the one register point, and the second register point should be directly connected to the Arduino, and the ground pin of this LED should be directly connected to ground pin. You can select any resistor, 1K or the 500 ohm resistor, and this circuit you can design on the 0PCB or on breadboard. So So the first part is ground pin of this red LED should be connected to common ground. So ground pin this to the common ground here. Now the positive pin of this LED should be connected to 13 number of Raspberry Pi. So connect this positive pin to 13 number of to Arduino, not Raspberry Pi. So connected to the Arduino 13 number. So in this way the red LED part is completed. Now the same we have to connect the green LED. Again green LED having the two pins, positive and negative. Positive pin should be connected to the positive or negative pin. One of two pins should be connected to the one point of resistor, second point should be connected to ground, and positive pin directly connected to the positive pin of Arduino. You can connect this resistor to the positive pin, and the next point of resistor should be connected to the Arduino. So this is simple circuit, you can design on the breadboard also. So the negative pin of the resistor should be connected, so the negative pin of LED should be connected to the ground pin, common ground pin, and the positive pin of green LED should be connected to the 12 number of Arduino. So connect this pin to the 12 number of Arduino. Okay, so in this way the LED part is completed. Now the next part is servo motor. So whenever you buy the servo motor, this is the servo motor, and you can see this is the product code SG90. So this is the servo motor you can buy on the Amazon or from your any shop that near you have. So each servo motor having the 3 pin, you can see there is 3 pin on the servo motor. So basically the brown pin is nothing but the negative pin of servo motor, red pin is nothing but the positive pin of servo motor, and the orange pin is nothing but the output pin of servo motor. So first connect the ground pin, that is the brown pin, it is a ground, and you if your servo motor having black pin, that is also ground. So brown or ground should be connected to the ground pin. Then red pin of this servo motor should be connected to positive pin of Arduino, that is a common VCC point. Then orange pin of this servo motor should be connected to the 3 number pin of Arduino. So connect this orange pin to the 3 number pin of Arduino. Now only the last part is remaining, that is LM35 temperature sensor. So you can see I have this LM35 temperature sensor. Whenever you buy this LM, you can see these 3 pins. So you can see this LM35 temperature sensor having 3 pins. This pin is a negative, this pin is positive pin. So this pin is positive pin, middle one pin is output pin of LM35 temperature sensor, and this side pin is ground pin. So you have to hold this LM35 temperature sensor like this. The cut part should be at your end so that you can understand the pin structure. So first connect the VCC pin to common VCC point, again same connection, it is very easy. So VCC pin of LM35 temperature sensor should be connected to common VCC pin, that is here. Then the ground pin of LM35 temperature sensor, that is third pin, should be connected to common ground, and the middle one pin that of LM35 temperature sensor should be connected to A1 pin of A0 pin of Arduino. So in this way the hardware connection of each and every hardware part with Arduino is completed. I hope you understand. Now the only you can see this is a camera, and it is a USB camera. You can see this is the USB camera, and you can plug this camera to your laptop, and you can use this camera if you have the USB camera, and if you have the laptop, then you can use the inbuilt laptop camera also. Now the next part is how to give the power to Arduino. Just you have to plug this Arduino pin to here, and this pin is USB pin, you can connect to your laptop or your PC, and this way the power can be given to the Arduino. So in this way we have completed the hardware connection part. Now we will see the programming part of this project. Okay, before start the program explanation, now it is very important to understand what are the importance library you need to install to run this project. So you can see all these are library you need to install in your laptop, then and then only this Python or face mask detection project will work. So how to install this TensorFlow, how to install this Emotiles, how to install this NumPy, CV2 library, I already explained in my this video, face mask detection using the Raspberry Pi protest simulation video. You have to watch that video. and in that video there is one part how to install the software or how to install a library. There is one particular chapter. You have to follow that chapter, and through that chapter you have to install all this library in your laptop. Okay, so before moving to this video, I would like to give you some information, and it is very important to understand because many students face some issue to install some library in their laptop. So first part is you have to download Python 3.6 or Python 3.7 in your laptop for this project. Okay, first part Python 3.6 or Python 3.7. Many students also face the error for this serial communication library. Even they import the serial communication package, they face the error like serial communication package not found. So how to solve that error, I will tell you right now. So basically there is a one article already on the Google in Stack Overflow. So in that Stack Overflow it is clearly mentioned that the serial package is not compatible with the new Python, so you have to use the old Python. So that I told you, you have to use 3.6 Python 3.6 or Python 3.7. Even if you face the serial communication package error, then you have to install the PySerial package in your laptop, this package PySerial package. So once you use the PySerial package, just replace this serial by the PySerial and remove this one, this one, only there should be the serial. Okay, so this is a very important point. If you face the serial communication package with my code, then replace serial by PySerial. Now the third point is how to install the package. So in my face detection video, I explained by mistakenly, I explained that you have to go to the script folder to install the library. So you do not need to go to the script folder. You have to just open the CMD from your laptop or from your PC. Just open the CMD, and once you open the CMD command, then whatever the command I told in this video to install the TensorFlow, and that you have to write that command here. Do not jump to the script folder. I again repeat, do not jump to the script folder. Directly open the CMD and type that command whatever they explain in that video. That video link given in the description. Now the very important part is when you install the Python 3.6 or Python 3.7 or below Python version 3.9, then you will get one error like your pipe is not upgraded. So how to upgrade your pipe? You have to use this command pipe -m pipe install upgrade pipes. You have to use this command as it is. This command should be double slash. You can see there is double slash upgrade. So you have to use this command as it is, and with this command your pipe will get upgrade. So the step is you have to first open the CMD, then first you have to download a 3.6 or Python 3.7 or below Python 3.9 version from the Python org. Then follow my step how to install the Python that already explained in that video. Same step you have to follow. Then you have to upgrade your pipe with this command. Okay, once you upgrade your pipe, then you have to follow that whatever the command explained that video in the CMD as it is. So with this you can easily able to install the different types of package in your laptop that require for this project. Okay, now for this face detection with Arduino project, there are two folder you have to download from my Google Drive link. So first folder is this one, face mark detection Arduino, and second folder is face mark detection master. So what you have to do, you have to open this Arduino first, and after that double click on this folder, or once you double click then Arduino will open if you don't have the Arduino. So if you haven't installed the Arduino in your laptop, then I already explained in my this video Proteus simulation accident and alcohol detection video how to install the Arduino in your laptop. With the reference to this video, if you don't have the Arduino, then watch this video, and with that video you can download the Arduino in your laptop. So this is important again part. So once you download the Arduino, just go to this Arduino file, double click on this Arduino file. So once you double click on this Arduino file, go to the file, then open, and once you click on the open button, just go to that folder face mark detection Arduino and open this folder. And once you open, you can find this program. Now we will see the importance of each and every line from this program. So first line is import crystal liquid crystal. So has to include liquid crystal.h. So if you want to use the LCD in your in our Arduino project, then we require this package. Then servo motor, if you want to use the servo motor in our Arduino project, then we require this package. Then to access the many features of servo motor, then you require one variable, for that package and how to declare that variable by using this line. Next line is liquid crystal LCD. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 it is mean that 4 is connected to the RS pin of our LCD. 5 is connected to enable pin of LCD. 6 is nothing but the D4, D5, D6 and D7 pin number of LCD. Then buzzer pin is connected to 11 number. Then green LED pin is connected to 12 number. Then red LED pin is connected to 13. Then we don't require this one. Then temperature pin is connected to A0. So whatever the pin connection we have used in hardware, that that define here. Then after that there is some variable that we require in the future, we will see later. Then void setup. So void setup is basically the function, whatever the pin we have used, that pin we have to define as an input or output. So except temperature sensor pin, all the hardware pin as a work as a output pin. So how to define pin as output? Pin mode function, then pin name, then output, and whatever the input pin, do not require to define that input because it is analog input pin. Next part is my servo attach 3. So basically we have connected the servo pin to the 3 number that we define here. Then LCD dot begin 16 by 2. So we are using 16 by 2 LCD. We define that configuration here. Then once you reset the Arduino, when we give the power to Arduino, then face smart detection message print on the LCD. To print that message, we will use this line. Then at the starting we have to give the servo motor to the initial direction. That's why we are declare here my servo right 30 degree. So this is the degree of that servo motor. So position of that servo motor to the 30 degree. Then after that void loop. So whatever the code inside this void loop, it will execute infinite number of time. So first is whatever the output pin for this project, we have to define that output. We don't require the motor. Okay, so whatever the output pin in this project, we have to define that output pin as a low, because at the starting LED should be turn on, buzzer should be turn on, sorry, LED should be turn off, buzzer should be turn off. So that's why how to turn off the buzzer, how to turn off the LED, we have to send the 0 signal on that LED or buzzer. So how to send that 0 signal on the LED buzzer? You have to use this function digital write, then pin number, and then low. Low means 0 signal. So all the pin, LED pin and the buzzer pin, we are turning off here. Then after the LCD clear, and then we are printing scan your face. So it is waiting for the message from the Python code. So once the Python code detect the face, then here serial dot available function get greater than 0 value. So once this greater than 0 value, then what the message received from this Python code. So you can see this is the Python code. So once the mass is detected, then the Python code send the A value, and if the mass is not detected, then Python code send B value. So that's why here serial.read function is used. So once the mass is detected, then serial.read function read the A value, and that value gets stored into the phase status variable. And if the phase status variable is A, that means we have to print smart detected message on the LCD, then read temperature message on the LCD. Then after that we have to read the temperature by using this logic. So all these four lines are used for the read the temperature, and then we have to print the temperature on the LCD by using this 2 line temperature and then the temperature value on the LCD. Then after that temperature is greater than 40. So if the temperature is greater than 40, then we have to print body temperature high on the LCD and get close on the LCD. Then we have to turn on the buzzer by using this line, then turn on the red LED by using this line, then green LED should be turned off, and then buzzer should be turned off. So buzzer having some delay, turn on, and it should be ring and then stop. So 1 second delay is there for that. So let's say the temperature is not greater than 40, then we have to get open message print on the LCD, and then we have to stop the buzzer by this line. Then green LED should be high, red LED should be low, because we have to turn on the green LED, and red LED should be turned off. Then we have to start the servo motor. So how to start the servo motor? My servo write 120. So it will move from the 30 degree to 120 degree at this line. Then 1 second delay there. Then again it jump from the 120 to 30 degrees, so it will close the gate by using this line. Now let's say if the serial.read function read the B value, in that case the mass is not detected. Now here we are checking phase mass is B value, yes B value, then mass is not detected. Message should be printed on the LCD by these 3 line. Then again buzzer should be on, red LED should be on, green LED should be turned off, then after some time buzzer should be turned off, and else do nothing. So this is the complete idea behind this Arduino code. So I hope you understand the code. Now we will see how to run this project. So first you have to open the Arduino file, then you have to open the face mask detection file in the Python. Then after that you have to go to the Arduino, then go to the tools, and then go to the board, here board, and select the Arduino from the AVR board. Then after that go to the port, and whatever your port name here, COM5, COM7 in your case, that you have to select, and then same port name, and the same port name you have to define here, COM5 or COM7, whatever the port name here. Then after that important line is this one, src is equal to 1. So 1 mean that in the Python code is that you are using the USB camera, and if you are using the laptop camera, then you have to give here 0. So in my case I am using the USB camera, so I am giving here 1. Okay, then after that you have to go to the run button. So once you click on the run button, you can see it will take some time to detect the camera, so wait for some minute. Okay, once you then next part is you have to download the code into Arduino. How to download the code? Just click on this upload button. So once you click on this upload button, this compilation will be start working in your Arduino hardware. So wait for some minute, it will start uploading the code into Arduino. So once the upload is completed, then go to your Python code, then go to the run and the run module. So it will take some time to detect the camera, so wait for that. So you can see here it is waiting for some camera input, so wait for some minute, at least 1 minute or 2 minutes. So once the camera start capturing the image, then it will show starting video stream. Now once you see this 112 something, that means your camera detected, camera start working. Then you can open the camera window from below. So you can see the frame is open, that means camera start working. So with the same at the same point your Arduino should be connected, because if the Arduino is not connected, then it will give the COM error. So once you see this frame, that means your camera working. The frame will maybe hidden at the bottom, so you can open the frame from the bottom and you can show, you can see. And once you come in front of the camera, then it will show no mask detected, because I haven't wear the mask right now. So in this way you can run the project successfully.